warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. How are you this evening? Have a nice day, all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nurfai Satya Pratama. My class is 10 MIPA 5. Legend of Sokaraja. This name is Adipati Kertabangsa. Adipati Jebuh Kusumo, Raden Kali Genteng, Ki Gede Ngorea, Raden Kuncung. Purbalingga, region host to be ruled by the Dak of Kartabangsa. They had a son named Raden Kaligenteng. One day, Adipati Kardabangsa handed over the throne of his government to Raden Kaligenteng. But the condition is that before taking up the position of Dak in Purbalingga, you must have the heirloom of Brongos Setan Kober. The heirloom of the Kober Devil is now owned by Ki Ngoreang at the Sunda Bolong Hermitage. Raden Kaligenteng immediately left for the Hermitage, expedited by Damang at noon. Finally, Raden Kaligenteng arrived at the Sunda Bolong Hermitage. The heirloom is at yours, but you need to know that the heirloom of the Kober Devil Brongos is now in the heart of your uncle, named Dek Jebung Kusumo in Sokaraja. Raden Kaligenteng still fight with King Ngoreang. Then Raden Kaligenteng came to the decks of Sokaraja. Adipati Jebuh Kusumo became very angry and thought that his nephew's behavior had gone too far. Then killed away. After leaving the Duke ever the thought of the Kober Devil danger that started him up, there he sailed into a river. The duck continued to wait on the bank of the river until it came to the surface. His son, who had returned to study, went to help his mother. Then Raden Kuncung plunged in the river. They were as nimbly as a pelus because he was so proud of his son that as warning the river was never Kali Pelus. After that, they arrived at their destination, namely the village of Watukumpul, where a crowd paired weeping held the inauguration of the Raden Kali Genteng market as the dalang to hold the play journey Sokaraja Purbalingga, starting to river for the beginning to the end that nothing was wrong for the actual situation. The audience was amazed of the key dalang, but Raden Kali Genteng became very angry and then dangered him. Finally, a war broke out after Raden Kali Genteng hit by the heirloom of the Kober Devil and transformed in the dragon. This interaction of Kali Genteng ran away. With the apparition of the right dragon, but surprisingly the dragon that lay down upon the Adipati Kartabangsa and transformation the dragon Raden Kali Genteng for violating his father's prohibition. Adipati Kartabangsa gave order for an interaction that in the went to return to his human form, then he must be turned on the Mount Sikasur until the Almergancy grace for business. Then The dragon snake left Purbalingga district while feeling of deep sorrow and sadness and Adipati Kardabangsa destination to go the Sokaraja to apologize of action of his son Kaligandang. He was now transformed in a dragon. Adipati Jebukusumo was responsible for the finishing of Purbalingga region, namely by means of Raden Kuncung being appellation Duke of Purbalingga with the title Adipati Kartabangsa.